In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear search history on Amazon. If you've ever typed a few product ideas into Amazon and later noticed those same terms popping up under the search bar, that's your recent search history. Clearing it helps keep things tidy and protects your privacy, especially on shared devices. Today, I'll walk you through a quick and reliable way to remove those recent searches without changing anything else on your account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to w.amazon.com. Give the page a second to load. If you're using a regional version of Amazon, that's fine. The process is the same. You don't need to open any account settings for this. We're working right from the home page. If you use the Amazon app, the same idea applies there too. Now look for the search bar at the top of the page. Click or tap inside the search field to place your cursor there. You don't actually have to type anything. Simply focusing on the search bar is enough to bring up a small panel of suggestions. This panel often shows a mix of recent searches you've made and possibly some quick suggestions from Amazon. You should see a list labeled or implied as recent searches. These are the exact terms you previously typed. If nothing appears, it may mean you haven't searched for anything recently on this device, or your history has already been cleared. You can try clicking out of the search bar and back in to refresh the list if needed. To remove an item, look for the small X next to each search term. On desktop, you might need to hover your mouse over a term for the X to appear. Click the X to delete that individual entry. It should disappear immediately. Repeat this for any other terms you don't want to see again. There usually isn't a single Clear All button in this panel, so removing them one by one is the way to go. When you're done, click away from the search bar and then tap back in to confirm the terms are gone. If the list looks empty or only shows generic suggestions, you've successfully cleared your recent searches. Keep in mind, these recent searches are typically tied to your current browser and device. If you frequently switch devices, you may want to repeat this process wherever you shop. That's it. Go to Amazon, tap the search bar to reveal your recent searches, and click the X next to each one you want to remove. Simple, quick, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy clutter-free searching.